Dek. Menyaksikan dua pasangan ini menyenangkan. Perkara cincin.
Ya pada jangan ketawa biasa aja lo dong yang.
Salah ketawa salah.
Emang hati lo jahat anjing.
Yang tahu
Gua-
hati lu tahu hati gue dari mana?
Sekarang baik.
Karena baik.
Cang.
Mari kita bakar masa.
Bila kamu tak lagi dengan kuku, tak tahu apa tuh jalan.
You know how sad someone's life is if they actually decide to watch your content and leave a negative comment? You shouldn't be sad for you should be sad for them. Deploy compassion to those who shit on you. I think the reason I'm winning is when somebody says you're an idiot, you're a scam.
Dilebihin travelnya. Thank you so much, Ray. Tarlon deh, ngapain gue manggil lu Ray. Terus ada jamurnya juga gue tadi tambahan. Gila ini bakmi sultan sih menurut gue pakai truffle. Dang, wanginya enak banget. Dan ini tuh handmade gitu mie-nya buatannya Rehan. Tangke.
Man, this motherfucker trying to tweet, bro. I bet that team leader is just like, yo, why y'all racing each other? Y'all work with each other. Y'all should be working with each other, not racing each other, bro. That's that high risk maneuver shit. But it worked. It worked. You know?